Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back, dear students. This is online class for the grade 6 mathematics, and we are going to start the new chapter today, chapter number 19. The name of the chapter is volume, and in this chapter we will learn how to measure the volumes, how to find out the cubes and cubic volumes, etc. The first I want to explain to you what is the concept of volume. For finding the concept of volume, there is a picture you can see in your screen. In the science laboratory, you may well have seen the container with the spouts similar to the one. This is the spout. You can see this is the spout. Fill the water up to this spout and then throw a stone inside. Definitely this water will go up, the water level will go up, and some water should come into this measuring container. How much water? Now you see this stone is now inside the container and some water is in the measuring container. So this water is equal to the volume of this stone. Very simple concept it is. So now you can see, I gonna read. The container is filled with the water to level of the spout. Any solid which is put into the water will force a quantity of water into the measuring jug. The volume of this water will be equal to the volume of the solid. The volume of solid is amount of space it occupies. Means that when you throw the stone inside the water, it occupied the space which is equal to this water in the measuring bar or measuring tool. Now what is the cubic unit? These all you can see in the page number 279. See here the page number 279. Cubic units. As with area, we need to convenient unit of measuring volume. The most suitable unit is cube. This all is cube. Cube is basically the shape with all the three sides equal. In the square, two sides, length and width. But in the cube, there is three sides. You can see I am going to show you some examples of daily life of the cube. See, these all the shapes are the cube shapes. These all shapes are the cube shapes. One side and the other side, this is called breadth, this length and this width. Three sides, three dimension. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. These are the three sides. For finding the cubic volume, you need all these three sides. These all are the examples of cube. In your daily life, you can check in the Google by yourself also. Now come to the point. How many of smallest cubes are needed to fill the same space as each of the solid A and B? Careful counting will show that 8 small cubes fill the same space as solid A. How you can see this one cube? This is one cube. In A, how many cubes there? One, this one, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 on the behind of this, which we cannot see. So this is how many cubes there? 4 in the front and 4 in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front and 4 same in the back. So 8 cubes. In B, how many? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the front, 6 cubes on the front and 6 cubes on the back. So 12 small cubes fill the same space of solid B. Now a cube with the side of 1 centimeter has the volume of 1 cubic centimeter. If this cube is of 1 centimeter, the volume will be 1 centimeter cube. If this cube measurement is 1 millimeter, mm mean millimeter, so the volume will be 1 m cube, millimeter mm cube. Now come to the next page, page number 280. Volume of the cuboid. It is very easy to find the volume of the cuboid. First check how many in row 1, how many in row 1, how many in row 2, and how many in row 3. In row 1, 1, 2, 3, and in row 2, 1, 2, and in row 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now easily multiply these values. 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 4. 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 4. In this way you can find out the volume of this cuboid. For your convenience, I am going to read. The diagram shows the rectangular block or the cuboid measuring 4 cm by 3 cm by 2 cm. To cover the area on which the block stands, we need 3 rows of cuboid measuring 1 cm by 1 cm by 1 cm. With 4 cuboid on each row, 12 cuboids, a second layer of 12 cuboids is needed to give the volume shown. So the volume of the block is 24 cuboids. But the volume of 1 cuboid is 1 centimeter. So the volume of block will be 432 centimeter cube. The volume of the block equal length, breadth and height. Now there is the example, find the volume of the cuboid measuring 12, 10 and 5. What you will do, very simple, just multiply the values length, breadth and height. This is called volume of the cuboid. 12 multiply by 10 and multiply by 5. 5 multiply by 10, 50. 50 multiply by 12 equal 600. So the volume unit will be centimeter cube. Why? Because one cuboid is equal to 1 centimeter. This here units given centimeters. Whatever the units given here, you will use the cube with the unit in the answer. Now here is the example questions for you. Find the volume of each of the following cuboids. Very simple. Length, breadth and height. Multiply these values and the answer unit will be centimeter cube. Here mm, millimeter. Mm means millimeter. So the answer will be 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8 millimeter cube. Like this you can solve all these questions. So this is the lesson for today. Inshallah. See you soon. Take care. Be happy.